Okay guys, we're going to make stewed potatoes. I have already cut up most of my potatoes, but all I do is take a potato. If it's real big, you do a little more cut. Kind of cut it your own size you want. I cut it in quarters like that, and then I just make me some good sized chunks of potato. Okay? Alright, okay guys, we've got us some water in here boiling. We're going to put our potatoes in. Now I may have to add a little bit more water. We want to have enough water that just does cover them. Need more? Just a teeny tiny bit more. Because see, it's almost covered them. There we go. Just a teeny bit more. Alright, now we've got that in there. We're going to salt them. Y'all salt to your liking. I know y'all don't like my liking of salt, but I like my liking of salt, okay? So, we've got our potatoes in here. I've got them turned up. Now we're going to let them cook, but keep them stirred. But we're going to let them cook pretty high so that they'll cook out my water. That's what we're looking for. Get potatoes done, but cook out most of the water, all right? Okay, guys, they've come to a boil, so we're going to set our timer for 15 minutes. We did cut them in chunks, but we also want them to cook out of water. So we've got them, and we're going to keep them boiling pretty good, and we'll be back, okay? We're back with our potatoes. See how they're stewed down? They've still got 1 minute and 40 seconds. And we're going to put a good, Sonny doesn't have any real butter, so we're using margarine. We're going to put our margarine in there, but see how it's cooked down? They're kind of stewed together. Matter of fact, they done. I can just cut them off. But to that, now this is how my mama done it. To that, we add just a little bit of milk, so we almost have mashed potatoes. Kinda. But they cook down in their own juice. And then there you go, guys. Just let your butter melt. Add you some black pepper. I do want to add black pepper to these. I've already turned that off, but it's still cooking. But we're going to add some black pepper. There's just something about black pepper in the stewed potatoes that's just good, guys. Just good. I'm going to take that off that heat, though, because they're done. And you see, you just have chunks of potato. Now, these did cook a little. Could have probably stopped them at about 12 minutes. But that's okay. But that's how we make ours. I could have stopped these at 12 minutes. They wouldn't be quite as cooked down, but they're still going to be delicious. All right? That's it, guys. Love you.